Do you want to share files very easily? You don't want to spend, countless hours trying to set up everything. So I'm going to show you what you need to buy if you want to share files very easily and you don't want to pay a subscription, Google Drive, Dropbox, or anything similar. So let's switch to my camera. So I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to buy and what I'm doing right now, so that way you can share all your files very easily. So now I'm going to show you Amazon, so that way you know exactly what to buy, and you are going to have 36 more terabytes, or the amount of terabytes that you want. So in this case I like QNAP, they are very good. These are servers, so if you want a basic server, let's say something very economical, to replace, Google Drive, Dropbox, like I said before, this is going to pay by itself, in a few months, depending on the amount of storage that you need. So in this case, is like almost $400. If you want even something cheaper, I think you have for $279. So this one usually you can put like two drives. Let's say that you put 2 drives of 10 terabytes each one. You're going to have plenty of space. You have 2 options. You can have 2 drives here of 2 terabytes each in mirror mode, so that way the information will be duplicated in both drives. If one day it dies, you can replace it, put a new one, and that's it. Also, you can have another one outside, an external hard drive using the USB port in the front or in the back. So that is the main one. And if you want something like very big with a lot of capacity, like in my case, I have something like this. Mine is even a little bit bigger. Mine is kind of like that. So I have like 16 drives in my server, and that's it. So here, the good thing about this is you can have, for instance, all the regular drives, the mechanical drives here, and here you can have SSDs, so that way you have a cache, and the data transfer will be very fast. So if you buy this, you buy the drives, and you can start, if you want, with 2 drives or 10 terabytes, and if you want to add more in the future, you can add more. You have 16, 18 terabytes, so you have a lot of capacity. It depends on your budget. So the only thing that you have to keep in mind is the compatibility list. So if you're going to buy something like that, no matter if you want the little one, the big one, whatever, you have to check the drives, because you cannot install any drive that you have laying around. You have to buy the specific model and brand. So as you can see, I choose some type of NAS here, some server, in this case this model, but whatever you buy, that is what you're going to buy. And here you have the list, as you can see here. So basically all you have to do, just copy, paste, and that's it, and try to find the drive, buy it, and that's it. So basically here you have let's say here is 2 terabytes, so 72. If you want more, buy more. So once once you have the server, you have the drives, all you have to go is to your NAS. So as you can see here, this is my IP, my internal IP for my server. So all you have to do is just put the IP, and then after that you have to go here where it says file station, click there, and then we are going to create a folder, so that way I'll show you how it works. So once you're there, I'm going here where it says public, as you can see there, public. And then we're going to create a folder, send test 1, 2, 3. All right, that is our folder right now. Okay, we have the folder test 1, 2, 3. All right, so now all you have to do, right click once you have this here, and then we have to go where it says share. So as you can see here, we click share, and then we are going to click where it says create share link only. Click there, and then after that we have the name, we have the smart share, you have the URL, and then we are going to type the password. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, put a difficult password, something that is not going to be easy to guess, but in this case it doesn't matter, because later I'm going to delete this folder. So as you can see, once you have that, all you have to do, just click create now. Once you have created this, you're going to have this. So just copy here, as you can see here, the URL, and then you can give it to someone. So in my case, I have 2 video editors, and then I create, you know, a link for each one of them with their own folder, so that way they can process all my videos. Then they are going to upload them over there, and then I get the files, I upload it to YouTube, and that's it. But if you want to share it any other thing, you can do it. If you want to share something, maybe to post in a forum or something like that on a website, you can do that as well, and you're not going to have any restriction, you know, like Google. If you want to do something like that, and many people are trying to download maybe a PDF or something like that, they are not going to allow you to do that. In this case, there is no restrictions as far as I can tell. So as you can see, just copy the file, you have the password, and that's it. Once you have done that, we're going to open a private Windows. We're going to paste the URL that I just showed you before, and then after that, you have to type the password, just 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then once you have done that, here you have the test 1 2 3 that I just showed you before, and that's it. So you give this to the people. In my case, you know, talk with my guys, you know, through WhatsApp, or if you want to do it through email or whatever, it works as well. So click here where it says upload, select file, just select any file that you want. In this case, let's say that I want to upload these 2 files, just click upload, and then a few seconds later, depending on the size of the files, you're going to have everything here. As you can see, it works just fine. And after that, if the person wants to download it, just click in download, as you can see here, download, and that's it. Very easy. If they want to upload, they can upload. If they want to download, they can download. And the only one who has access, you know, to delete files is you. That's it. Very easy. Then after that, I'll show you here. So for instance, if I go on my Finder on the file explorer, if you have Windows, so you go here, and then you're going to search here. As you can see here, we have test 1 2 3, double click, and then as you can see here we have the files. If you want to add more files, so that way the other people they can, you know, grab those files, download it, and do whatever, they can do that as well. And that's it. So here I'm going to delete those files, click delete, and that's it. And if I go here and I refresh the screen, those files should be gone. There you go, files are gone. Now I'm going to show you, for instance, at least how I do it if you want to do the same thing. For instance, I have my editor done, and then, you know, here, for instance, I'm going to upload all the videos that needs to be edited, and then here he's going to download them, and then once they are finished, he's going to upload them in final videos. That's it. So very, very easy. That is how you can have your own Google Drive without paying subscriptions or anything else. So that is the easiest way. As usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything else, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to buy this server that I just talk about, just is in the video description. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.